Quantum computers have always lived in isolation, requiring specialized environments and lengthy processing delays that made them impractical for everyday applications. QuiX Quantum just changed that equation with their photonic quantum control system that responds in just 150 nanoseconds. That timing breakthrough finally makes quantum computing fast enough to work alongside classical computers in real-time scenarios. Photonic quantum control means using light particles called photons to manipulate quantum states instead of traditional electronic methods. The advantage comes from photons traveling at light speed and avoiding many interference problems that plague other quantum approaches. QuiX developed specialized optical components that can redirect, split, and recombine laser beams with unprecedented precision and speed. Their system processes quantum operations faster than most classical computers and even register the request. The 150 nanosecond response time represents the complete cycle from receiving a control signal to executing the quantum operation and returning results. Previous quantum systems required milliseconds or even seconds for similar operations, making real-time integration impossible. Think of it like the difference between having a conversation and sending letters by mail. Classical computers operate on nanosecond timescales, so quantum systems needed to match that speed to become practical partners rather than isolated research tools. Real-time integration opens quantum computing to applications that were previously impossible. Financial trading algorithms could leverage quantum optimization while markets are actively moving. Autonomous vehicles could use quantum sensors for navigation decisions that happen faster than human perception. Scientific simulations could combine classical data processing with quantum calculations seamlessly. The photonic approach also eliminates many traditional quantum computing obstacles. No extreme cooling requirements mean lower operating costs and easier deployment. Photonic systems resist electromagnetic interference that disrupts other quantum technologies. The optical components integrate naturally with existing fiber optic infrastructure that already connects data centers worldwide. Manufacturing these photonic quantum processors uses established semiconductor fabrication techniques rather than exotic materials or processes. QuiX demonstrated their system controlling quantum gates while simultaneously processing classical data streams without latency issues. Multiple quantum operations can run in parallel while maintaining coherence, something difficult to achieve with slower control methods. The technology scales efficiently as more quantum processors get added to networks. This breakthrough positions quantum computing as a practical enhancement to existing systems rather than a complete replacement. Companies can integrate quantum capabilities gradually without rebuilding their entire computing infrastructure. The 150 nanosecond barrier represented the final timing hurdle preventing quantum computers from participating in real-time applications alongside classical processors. If you want to understand how photonic computing works fundamentally, that video is already on the channel.